Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which football club won the UEFA Champions League 2026 title in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Paris Saint-Germain. According to the Sample Registration System Statistical Report 2024, to what level has India's total fertility rate declined? Right answer is option C, 1.9. Which Indian state's natural farming program won Sweden's prestigious Food Planet Prize 2026 in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. In June 2026, which country's Prime Minister, Mette Frederiksen, was sworn in for the third consecutive term? Right answer is option D, Denmark. Who has been appointed as the 48th Vice Chief of Naval Staff of the Indian Navy? Correct answer is option A, Ajay Kochar. Which Indian state government signed a tripartite MOU with Intel and 3D Glass Solutions to establish India's first advanced 3D glass core substrate semiconductor chips facility? Right answer is option C, Odisha. In June 2026, which university became India's first private university to establish the India AI Data Lab in collaboration with Intel India? Correct answer is option D, Chandigarh University. Which space agency officially concluded the MAVIN mission in June 2026 after more than 11 years of operational service? Correct answer is option A, NASA. Which e commerce platform partnered with the Bombay Stock Exchange to launch Project Shikhar? Correct answer is option B, Misho. Which of India's neighboring countries approved the Mega Padma Barrage project in June 2026 to revitalize its river system and address water scarcity? Correct answer is option B, Bangladesh. Which legislative assembly became the 33rd in India to implement the national e-Vidhan application? Correct answer is option D, West Bengal Legislative Assembly. In which city did Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurate the open air naval museum Nausena Shaurya Vatika in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Lucknow. Which semiconductor startup from Kerala launched its flagship AI system on chip in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Netra Semi. Where was the 35th meeting of the Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination on India China Border Affairs held? Correct answer is option C, Beijing, China. Where was the foundation stone for India's first model border village laid in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Chumur, Ladakh. Who has been entrusted by the central government with the additional charge of Chairman of DRDO and Secretary Department of Defense Research and Development? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Kumar Singh. Where was India's first and the world's largest battery energy storage system outside China with a capacity of 3.37 gigawatt hours inaugurated in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Khavda, Gujarat. Which state's Union Minister Manohar Lal recently launched the Swachh mobile app? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Who became the second woman to be appointed directly from the bar to the Supreme Court in June 2026? Right answer is option D, Justice V. Mohana. In which city has Hindustan Unilever Limited established the country's first Unilever fragrance hub? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai. What is the name of the operation launched by Gujarat Police in June 2026 to identify and apprehend illegal Bangladeshi nationals? Right answer is option B, Operation Delta Hunt. Who was elected as the new Prime Minister of Slovenia in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Janis Jansa. In which state was a new species of evergreen tree, Humboldtia nairiana, discovered in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Kerala. In which state was an incident reported involving the deaths of 8 Asiatic lion cubs due to a suspected Babesia infection? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which mission was launched by the Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Anusandhan National Research Foundation in June 2026 to promote innovation and startups in the water sector? Right answer is option C, Maha Water Program. Which Indian badminton duo won the men's doubles title at the Singapore Open 2026? Correct answer is option D, Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty. Which union minister launched an AI enabled voice chatbot named Samadhan Didi to make the redressal of public grievances more accessible? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Which country signed a $629 million BrahMos missile export agreement with India to strengthen defense cooperation? Right answer is option B, Vietnam. According to the 10th National Health Accounts estimates, what is the estimated government health expenditure on health services in India for the financial year 2022-23? Right answer is option C, rupees 3.85 lakh crore. Which union minister launched Mission Seneh Juri in June 2026 to give global recognition to Assam's traditional Muga silk? Right answer is option A, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia. According to the State of India's Digital Economy Report 2026, what rank has India achieved globally in artificial intelligence performance? Correct answer is option D, fourth rank. Which institution has constituted the QSafe Expert Committee to study quantum cyber threats in India's financial sector? Right answer is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Who has been elected as the President of the 81st session of the United Nations General Assembly in June 2026? Right answer is option D, Dr. Khalilur Rahman. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Patna High Court in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Justice Meenakshi Madan Rai. Who is the editor or author of the book When Audit Matters, CAG Interventions That Make a Difference, released by Vice President CP Radhakrishnan in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Vinod Rai. Where has India's first state of the art aviation weather and fog monitoring AI system, Skycast, been launched? Right answer is option D, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. From where did Red Balloon Aerospace successfully launch India's first indigenous super pressure balloon under Mission Sana? Correct answer is option C, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Which of India's lunar missions discovered definitive evidence of buried water ice near the moon's south pole? Correct answer is option A, Chandrayaan 2. Which Indian origin student won the title of the prestigious Scripps National Spelling Bee 2026 competition? Right answer is option C, Shrey Parikh. In which city will the Asian Relays Athletics Championship 2027 be held? Correct answer is option A, Chandigarh. Which sport will be included for the first time as an official indigenous sport in the 2030 Commonwealth Games to be held in Ahmedabad, India? Right answer is option B, Yogasana. According to Cushman and Wakefield's Global Data Center Market Comparison 2026 report, what is India's rank in the Asia Pacific region in terms of data center capacity? Right answer is option D, second rank. When was International Everest Day 2026 observed? Correct answer is option A, May 29th. Elbit Systems of which country partnered with the NIP Group to establish India's first private propellant manufacturing facility in Shirdi, Maharashtra? Right answer is option D, Israel. With which institution has the Indian Air Force signed three contracts for the predictive maintenance of Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft? Right answer is option C, IIT Bombay. In which state has India's first women led solar power plant been established? Correct answer is option B, Telangana. Which company or organization has announced the issuance of India's first blue bond to finance the development of marine and coastal infrastructure? Right answer is option D, Sagarmala Finance Corporation. When was World Milk Day 2026 celebrated? Right answer is option A, June 1st. In May 2026, in which country did India's Hajj mission win two prestigious Lebbaitum awards? Correct answer is option A, Saudi Arabia. Under which project has Google Alphabet planned to release 32 million male mosquitoes infected with Wolbachia bacteria in California and Florida, USA? Right answer is option D, Project Debug. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.